Yep. Let me just share with the audience for more information. I know we're getting close to the top of the hour. You can go to pb.com/software to get additional information, or contact Lorena Hathaway directly at the email address designated on the screen. I'm going to leave this up for a few seconds. Let me get right to the first question, Burke and Mike. Maybe this is one for Burke. Can you better define cleanse address?
Well, a cleansed address is an address that people use various words. We'll talk about parsing or scrubbing or standardizing an address. But studies have shown that over 80% of addresses that are entered in by direct users, say on a website or when people describe their address, they get some element of that address wrong, whether it's a street type or spelling or the postal code or the city name. And in order to properly geocode, the address needs to be cleansed and scrubbed and standardized and parsed correctly so that it can actually be geocoded to the correct street segment. So a cleansed address just means an address that's been corrected and verified.
Right, and as I understand it, Burke, when somebody types in a text string and it says, 401 Main Street, Des Moines, Iowa, it's got to look at every little bit of text within that string before it can be standardized. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. Well, the first thing typically is done is it can be parsed out into its various elements and then matched against a street segment. But the one thing that I think people sometimes underestimate is the difficulty in actually cleansing addresses. And once that address gets cleansed, you'll find a much higher geocoding